What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video we are going to talk about the monopoly investments. Okay, so this is not a hype project where you're gonna earn your super high rewards every hour, but you're still gonna be able to claim every hour, but not super high rewards. Okay, so the project just went live. Okay, probably 50 an hour and 3 minutes ago. Okay, and in today's video, I'm going to do a step-by-step tutorial how to get started. Okay, so stay tuned in, and also I'm going to make a live deposit so you can see how everything plays out. So what is monopoly investment? So scrolling further down, we can see that 1% every hour on your investment. Okay, so the referrals, they have a cool thing about referrals. So the referral will be 1.5% to both the referral and the investor. Okay, so it's a win-win situation for both of you. Okay, for me and for you if you join under my referral link. Okay, they also have a TG. Okay, the Telegram group Monopoly. Okay, has 1,042 members, currently 22 online. Okay, and the ROI, like I said to you, is 1% per hour. It is super fast and easy to make a profit and out on our platform and have a passive income. Okay, scrolling further down, we can see the lottery. They also have a lottery system. Okay, and they have the streets. Okay, more about the streets in a minute. Okay, so how the lottery works? So the lottery will be held weekly and run by a contract. Okay, after 7 days it will reset. The street that has the most deposits in the week will be the winner of the lottery for that week. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. So in regards to fees, so 1% of every deposit goes to the lottery, 3% owner, and 2% that fee, and 4% marketing. Okay, so 4, 6, 9, 10% deposit fees. Okay, so over here we can find a TG group, and over here we can find the smart contract. Like I said to you, this thing just went live, so currently has 660 bucks inside the smart contract. Okay, so now how do we get started? Okay, to invest in this project you need BUSD, as you can see the symbol right here. So you click over here, start earning, and it will take you to the DApp page. And then next thing you have to do is connect your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so once you connect your MetaMask wallet, you will see a dashboard. Okay, total TVL, total investments, users, and total streets. Okay, so if you want to find out more about the streets, you come over here and hit streets, and you will find that we have 1, 2, and 3 streets currently. Okay, guys, so shout out to CT Monopoly. Okay, I am gonna join this street. Okay, CT is my buddy, so definitely gonna join this street. But if you don't want to join anyone's street and you want to create your own street, all you gotta do is come over here to stake. Okay, so when you come over here to stake, you enter the amount that you want to deposit. Okay, and you hit deposit. Okay, so once you hit deposit, a pop-up will pop up and ask you to write your street name, and then you will have your own street. Okay, simply that's just how it works. But like I said, I am going to join the city street because he joined the platform prior to me, so I am going to join his street. Okay, so now I've clicked on his street, and I'm gonna go ahead and deposit 100 BUSD. Okay, why is it daily? Okay, yeah, 24% every day. Yes, so 100 BUSD right there. Okay, guys, remember you need BUSD and also some BNB to pay for the gas fees. Okay, so you come over here, you hit deposit. This will pop up. Okay, MetaMask will pop up. Okay, we'll ask you to approve um, the BUSD that you want to spend. So I'm going to spend 100 BUSD. So I'm going to enter 101. Okay. So when you, usually what I do is once I approve and everything, I go ahead and straight revoke this contract. Okay. So in the future, if something goes wrong, the owner will not have access to my BUSD because I revoked the contract. As you can see right here, cap spending is 101 BUSD. So I'm going to go ahead and approve. And then after you approve, you go ahead and hit deposit. Okay, after paying both fees, okay, first is the approval and the second one is the deposit fee. Okay, so once we get the confirmation from MetaMask, we are good to go and we are automatically earning our yield. Okay, so let's just wait for the transaction to go through, and then once the transaction goes through, we are in. So the users has been updated, total investment has been updated. So just a matter of time. Probably I will have to hit refresh to refresh the page so I can see my stake. There you go. So as you can see right here, my stake is right here. Obviously, like I said to you on fees, there is a 10% fees every time you deposit. Okay, so now you got to calculate it right here. So if you want to know how much you're gonna earn, and you type in 1% hourly, you can scroll and see how much you will earn in a certain amount of time. So it will take me 100 hours to ROI. Okay, so over here we can see the street that I'm in. Okay, CT Monopoly, 6 members. Shout out to CT. Okay, so he's doing really well, right? So we can see my stats. Okay, so 90%, 90 bucks staked. Okay, daily earnings going to be 2160, total withdrawn and total deposit. Okay, and over here we can see my stake. So I will be able to unstake this stake in 60 days. Okay, so 59 days, 23 hours and 58 minutes. Okay, and over here I have my rewards. Okay, we also have the lottery. Okay, so the lottery, how the lottery works, I already explained to you. So the highest, there is an explanation, right? What was it? There was some dashboard right here. Okay, so how the lottery works. It is very simple. So each week, the street with the most deposits will win the prize, which is 30% of the total prize pool. The deposits made by all streets members will count towards the street overall deposit amount for the week. Okay, so the more you and your group deposit, the higher your chances of winning the prize. Okay, so the lottery pool currently is 935. So let's say this lottery goes to 100 bucks. Okay, so if the city monopoly wins, so we will win a share of the lottery pool, which will be 30%. Okay, so 30% of the total prize pool will be for the street members. Okay, so that's really cool. So that's how the lottery works, and also you have how the monopoly works. The minimum investment is 50 BUSD. The maximum is 100K. Okay, so and your stake will be locked for 60 days. Okay. Over here we have an explanation how to create or join a street, and also we have how the lottery works. And essentially that's it, guys. The product is very simple to interact with. All you got to do, connect your MetaMask wallet, pay the gas fee, approve the amount of BUSD that you want to stake, and you are good to go. Okay, so essentially that's just how it works, right? And again, you don't have to join anybody's streets. Okay, if you don't want to, you can create your own streets and roll with it, right? So as you can see right here, I have my referral bonus because I've joined under somebody's referral. So that person, so CT earns his share, and I've got my share right there. So over here we got the referral link. So once you create your street or join the other person's street, okay, just share their referral link with your family, friends, social media, whoever joins the platform under your referral link, you will get a referral commission. So it's a win-win situation. Okay, so all the links going to be down in the description of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.